guys, tara kape. So for today's video guys, nagkaroon ng announcement si GCash just recently about free health insurance sa mga G-loan borrowers. So basahin natin itong news na to coming from Fintech News. Sabi dito, GCash lending arm adds free health insurance to G-loan borrowers. Fuse Financing Incorporated, the lending arm of GCash, has introduced free insurance coverage for G-loan borrowers through a new initiative called G-Loan Protect. So again guys, this is free. However, meron tong caveat Available for a limited time. Limited time lang siya. The feature provides loan and health insurance for every G-loan disbursement of at least 500 pesos underwritten by Una Insurance Corporation. So yun yung mga requirement, kailangan minimum ng 500 and ang magpo-provide ng insurance ay si Una Insurance Corporation. Tapos, ito. The free insurance includes a waiver of pending loan balance in the event of the borrower's death or accident-related permanent disability. So, itong insurance na to ay para maklear yung utang mo in case na mamatay ka or maging permanently disabled ka. Meaning, hindi ka na makakatrabaho. Actually, dinedeclare yun na permanent disability So, kapag na-declare yun and wala ka ng capacity to earn, then, ang magbabayad na ng utang mo ay si Una Insurance. Additionally daw, G-Loan Protect offers a hospitalization allowance. Eligible user who stay in a hospital for a minimum of 3 days can claim an allowance starting at 500 pesos or up to 10% of the loan value. So, lastly, ang G-Loan Protect daw ay available for new transaction from January 16 until March 31. Kahit pa paano sa mga maglo-loan sa G-Loan dyan, for the whole loan term nyo. Kung 12 months yung kinuha yung G-Loan nyo, then covered kayo ng 12 months. Nakalagay pa pala dito, hindi ko na-mention or hindi ko nabasa sa inyo, na in case na mag-early payment kayo, tapusin nyo na kagad yung loan nyo, pinagbilis nyo pagbabayad sa loan nyo, pero ang loan nyo ay kunyari 12 months, covered pa rin kayo ng insurance until matapos yung date talaga ng loan term nyo. Yeah, ano sa tingin nyo? Additional benefits, di ba? Why not? As long as wala tayong babayarang extra, okay sa akin to. Sa inyo ba? Well, yun lang muna for today's video. Good morning sa inyo.